If you are getting error while downloading files for your once human game on your PC or on your device, so how can you fix stuck on loading screen? For this, what we need to understand is the problem mainly is in our network connection, because this type of error only occurs when our network connection is weak or we are not getting sufficient internet from our internet provider. To solve this, we have to refresh our internet setting to go on the Wi-Fi option and check that if you are connected with a good Wi-Fi network or not. As you can see, I have connected with a network. I can check that the network authenticity is full and the power is full coming in my laptop. The second step is I will go on the start button, click on the restart option to restart my PC, and then I will try to log in again and try to download the files, and this time I won't face any type of error like this. So this is about the video how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it.